Hey, I just want to let you know that on May 16th, Microsoft announced retiring Outlook for the Web File Previewer, Edit, and Reply feature in June 2023. You may not know this feature by its name, so let me show you how it works to jog your memory. You could preview Word, PowerPoint, or Excel documents right in Outlook. Then you have the ability to immediately edit and reply without downloading the file or saving it to your local or OneDrive and then reattaching the revised file. Again, this functionality has been retired in June 2023. Before I tell you what you need to do before going forward, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Microsoft tricks, tips, and news. Here are the steps that the users have to take. You're going to edit your document in Outlook for the Web or in the desktop app, or you have to save it to OneDrive first or download it to your local drive. Next, you want to open up your document and make the changes and then resave it to the location of your choice. Once you do that, now you can reattach the revised file. There you have it. Now go work your magic.